1111, Ashe, Ashe. Make a wish, because this reading is for Pisces. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Pisces. It's 1111 as I am recording your reading. So that could mean that you're on the right path. You need to make a wish. If you be saying 1111, this reading may resonate with you. Okay, if it doesn't, leave the rest for someone else. Okay, 1111 on the clock as we are about to do Pisces reading. Ding, 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 ding. It's 1111, y'all. Arigato, universe. Arigato. Thank y'all for y'all subscribing to Libra Goddess Clarity 04 on YouTube. Thank you for engaging. Thank you for your contributions to the channel. Thank you for purchasing private personal readings from your girl. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Let's keep going. Let's keep doing it. Okay? Let's keep rising. All right? Pisces, you up next. Archangels of love, please touch my heart with peace and serenity. Show me how I can do my part to spread your light joyfully. Okay? Let's get into the Archangel message for my Pisces. In here, we dwell in positive vibes only. Leave the negative at your mama front door. Okay? Declare and decree that all evil eyes being sent our way will go blind and return back to sender times 10. Ashe, ashe, ashe. No weapon formed against us shall prosper in this season. All right, Pisces, what's going on with my Pisces? If you have Pisces anywhere in your birth chart, this message may be for you. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Okay? Let me know in the comment section if this message resonates with you guys. All right? Let's get it going. What's going on, Pisces? What's your Archangel message of the day is? Give me one for Pisces, Archangels, please. Thank you. One for Pisces, please. What's the Archangel message today for Pisces? Archangel Muriel, manifest for the highest good. Work with pure love. Okay? A lot of y'all, Pisces, y'all are doing things or need to do things out of love, out of pure love. Okay? And manifest for your highest good. Okay? Manifest for your highest good. Okay? Work with pure love. Only work with pure love. Work with people that do anything out of love, okay? That's how you're going to manifest for your highest good. Your heart chakra, okay? This is speaking of your heart chakra, Pisces. Y'all are in your heart chakra energy. Y'all are in your heart chakra's energy, so you're going to work from that, okay? You're going to move, and when you move to do things, you move with love, with your heart. Okay, despite what people may say or think about you or whatever, move with love, work with love, okay? Tap into your heart chakra in this time, in this season. Okay, Pisces? All right, so what's the New Orleans Oracle message for Pisces? In this season, Pisces, work through your heart chakra. Okay? Treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people accordingly. That's what I just heard. Treat people accordingly. Treat people accordingly to how they treat you, Pisces. But you need to tap into your heart chakra in this season. What's the Oracle, New Orleans Oracle message for Pisces, please? Thank you, thank you, thank you. New Oracle for Pisces, please. Abundance. When you work out of pure love and when you work with your heart chakra, abundance will be coming to you. Okay, you will be gifted something. Abundance. Okay. Infinity. The number 19 can be significant. You could be 19. You could be born on the 19th. However, a lot of you will be drinking out of your overfilled cups. Okay. Okay. Your cups will be overfilled with abundance. Okay. When you manifest, because you are manifesting for the highest good, right? You're manifesting for the highest good. So you're working with pure love, okay? Working working with pure love and manifesting through your heart chakra, you're going to receive abundance. Okay, you guys? Your cup will overflow with abundance. Okay, a lot of you could be manifesting at night under the moon. We do have a full moon in Taurus coming November 15th. So I'm excited about that. Many of you could be, getting prepared for the full moon. Okay. Abundance. Okay. A lot of you are going to be reaping abundance. Okay. Because you are working and manifesting with pure love. Okay. You're giving with a pure heart. Okay. What's the affirmation? Thank you for the nuanced oracle message. Just the affirmation. Okay, today I am energetic. Look at all that yellow coming out. Yellow again could be significant color. Maybe when you wear yellow, you get blessings from the universe. Today you need to wear yellow. Pisces, today I am energetic. Today I am filled with an incredible energy and enthusiasm to face this beautiful day. Okay. Today you are energetic. You're wearing yellow. You're happy. You're moving out of love. You're feeling abundance. Okay? Maybe when you do something out of love today, the universe will bless you with some abundance. Isn't that right? Okay. All right. Let's go to your Zen message for Pisces. We're manifesting abundance. We're manifesting out of pure love. We're working with our heart chakras, Pisces. You need to wear yellow today so you can attract abundance. So you can attract wealth and abundance. Okay, so you can attract that positive, energetic energy, okay? What's the Zen message for Pisces today? Thank you. Going with the flow. A lot of you could be going with the flow or need to go with the flow. Go with the flow. Don't go against the flow. You see, he going with the current. He flowing with the current instead of going against the current. A lot of you could be going against what the universe is trying to get you to do. Okay, the number 5 can be significant. A lot of you may feel like an outsider. A lot of you may feel like you've been locked out of something or somewhere and you're trying to get in. I'm hearing rejection is for your protection. Okay, rejection is for your protection, Pisces. Okay, go with the flow. Okay, if somebody made you feel like this, like you looking out, it's locked. There's a door that's locked. Okay, the gate is locked. Okay, so maybe you have to close out a cycle so you can open up a new door. Okay, a lot of you need to go with the flow instead of going against the flow. A lot of you probably are going against the grain and you got put out. And now you outside looking in. You could be feeling like an outsider. Or this could be or when you was a child, you felt like an outsider. So a lot of you could be like, you know, feeling like you stuck out, like you can't get into a party, you can't get into somebody's gate, somebody's house because it's locked. They got chained. Well, it's not locked. Look at that. Look at that. The gate is not locked. You see it's unlocked, but y'all thinking y'all can't get through that gate. Okay, y'all think y'all can't get through to something or someone because you see the lock, but the lock is not locked. You see it? Y'all could be thinking that that something is blocked or you blocked from something, but you actually not. You can get in. Like you can go towards whatever you're trying to go towards because you're not locked out. You think you locked out. 1122 on the timer, 1122 on the timer as I say this. Okay? That means you're moving forward. 1122. Okay? Go with the flow. Okay? There's a door, there's a passage that's unlocked. You think you locked out. You think you can't get through, but you can. Look at that. It's unlocked. Pisces. There's a door. There's something in front of you. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. You see it? You have to analyze everything around you. You just looking through the gate. You just looking and not knowing that the gate is open unto you. That door is open unto you. So you need to go with the flow of whatever situation, whatever you looking towards, you can get it. Look at that. The thing is unlocked. Just go with the flow. Don't go against the flow. Don't go against what the universe is trying to lead you towards. Okay? You looking like, ooh, something back there. I need to get back there. What's back there? There's a bright sunny light back there. I need to get back there. That's where I need to go. This is where you're trying to get to. You're trying to get to that light. You can get there. You can get there. You're not analyzing everything around you. Okay? Y'all not analyzing everything around you. Give me one more for Pisces. The color blue can be significant. Water can be significant. A lot of you need to probably go sit by some water, Pisces. Or this is your element. Water, energy, Pisces. This is your element. Okay? This is your element. Okay, you need to go with the flow. Okay, look, two then popped out. I keep getting this. Slow down and compromise. Two other, Scorpio and Cancer got the same two cards. Slowing down and compromise. So this must be what y'all need to do, water signs. Okay? If you have Pisces in your birth chart anywhere, this message could be for you. You need to slow down and look at all the possibilities and look at all the people that's in your energy and compromise. Or someone is coming around you to compromise your situation. Slow down and pay attention because you could be going against the grain. You're going against the flow. You're going against whatever situation that the universe is trying to give you or send to you. You're going against it and you outside looking in. But guess what? That gate is open. That gate open. That gate open. Someone could be trying to compromise you from getting to where you trying to go. Okay? Look at this. Look at these people. Look at this. These people look mad, upset. They fat. They trying to compromise your situation. Slow down. Slow down. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow down. Pay attention to what your surroundings. Pay attention to what you're going through. Because you could be so close to your abundance. You can't even see that it's right there. That gate is unlocked. Even though there's a chain on it, you have the strength. You have the ability to open up your third eye and look at that gate and look at that gate and see that you can get through that. Right? You just have to go with the flow. Go with the universe, the signs that the universe is sending you. Okay? Tune in at the bottom of the deck. Tune in. 4 can be significant. You can be a life path number 4. You can be born on the 4th. Okay? As you see in this turning in, y'all turning in. Okay? Turning in. Okay? You manifesting. right? You're turning into your higher self. But look at the background. You see all them people in people whispering in your ear, people, negative entities in your ear and all that. You see that? Y'all blocking that out. Y'all blocking out the negative energy that's around you. You see that? Look at that. And y'all turning into the positive, your higher self. But you're blocking out all this. All y'all need to block out all that negativity that's surrounding your energy. All them negative words, all them negative people. You need to block them out. Okay? Slow down. Go with the flow. And look at all these people trying to compromise your energy, trying to compromise you from staying blinded, trying to compromise you from not walking in your right path, right? They're trying to compromise, but you tune in. Tune them out. Tune the negative energy out and tune in and tune in to the universe. Okay? Let it flow. Go with the flow, and you see, look. Going with the flow and tuning into that flow. Staying a course, right? You see that water? You're going to have some waves, some bumps, some people, you heard me, to compromise you from getting in that gate, from walking into your abundance. People are trying to compromise you. People are trying to deter you, trying to make you miserable, make you think that, nah, you can't do it, you can't get through that, you can't do that, you can't get through that. Yeah, I can, because the gate is unlocked. Yeah, I can get through it. Just go with the flow, right? Don't let nobody compromise your decisions, your positive thinking, okay? Don't let nobody compromise you, okay? Don't let nobody make you feel like you are outsider, like you need them. They need you more than you need them, and you don't even know. Slow down when you're going with the flow, okay? Slow down and pay attention. Tune in, okay? Tune into what's going on around you. Give me one more for compromise, please, for Pisces. Thank you. Or you can be compromising yourself from getting into where it is that you're trying to get into. You could be compromised. You can be the weapon that's forming against yourself. That's why universe is telling you go with the flow. Go with, I'm trying to tell you, go with how I'm showing you, and you're doing the opposite. So you're compromising yourself. And you need to slow down. You're compromising yourself. It could be like a lot of you trying to do a lot of different things. Like you want to be here, you want to be there, you want to be there, you want to be there, but you're compromising yourself. We got celebration at the bottom of the deck. 3 could be significant. Okay. Something could be happening on the 3rd. And look, we got 3, 4, 5, 6. So y'all moving in the right direction. We have 3, 4, 5, and 6 is here. So y'all moving. You know, you're moving. You're moving up. You're moving. 3, 4, 5, 6. Some of you going to be celebrating or could be celebrating. Some of you could be in the present moment slowing down, winding down, tuning into your higher self, okay? And you're going to be celebrating this manifestation of abundance. You're going to be, or you could be celebrating in the future of how far you come, how strong you become. Give me 3 more for Pisces, please. Guidance. There's another 3 again. Guidance, okay? A lot of you may need to ask for guidance, or your guardian angel is guiding you through your journey, okay? Your guardian angel is guiding you. Ask for guidance. Your guardian angel is guiding you. Okay? A lot of you mothers, I'm seeing a mother as a guardian angel. Some of you could have lost your mother. If you did, my condolences to you, Pisces. If you have lost a mother or a grandmother, but they are your guardian angel. They could have passed on the 3rd. They could have passed in March. They could be born on the 3rd. Take what resonates. There go that suppression. A lot of you may have some suppression, may feel like there's a weight on your shoulder. A lot of you may feel suppressed, okay? Like there's a lot of weight on your shoulder, but you have the ability to get up out of that suppression. That's probably why that's why you need to ask for guidance. Your guardian angel, your great grandma, your grandma, your mother is your guardian angel. Okay, they see how suppressed you are. They see the weight of the world on your shoulders. Okay, they see the weight of the world on your shoulders. That go 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 at the bottom of the deck. Patience. Okay, have patience. Okay, and look, abundance is right behind patience. Look, I can't make this up. Abundance is right behind patience. Have patience in your journey that you are being guided in the right direction for your abundance. Look, abundance twice. Abundance came out in your New Orleans Oracle. Abundance came out in your Zen Tarot. I can't make this up. Have patience in the journey that you're going on. Slow down, okay? Slow down. Tune in. You are being guided, okay, by the universe, by your guardian angels, your loved ones, your lost loved ones. Or look at that. Look at it. You see you, right? You see your guardian angel? They're guiding you, okay? They're guiding you, okay? There will be no more suppression, okay? Just have patience. Once you have patience and you go with the flow, tap into your higher self, you're going to celebrate this abundance, okay? You're going to be celebrating this abundance, all right? Let's get the what's tea for my Pisces. What's tea for Pisces? Let's see, Pisces. Push these over a little bit so I can have some space. All right. Let's get the what's tea. What's going on in Pisces energy? Okay. All right. Thank you. What's tea for my Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus? Lord, know y'all let me know in the comment section if these messages have resonated with you so far. If you may want a personal reading, DM me, or you can email me at goddessclarity04@gmail.com. Donations are welcome and appreciated. What's the tea for my Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node? Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's the tea? The tea for my Pisces. There's some fake smiling motherfuckers around in y'all energy. Fake smiling motherfuckers. A lot of you are moving on to the next. All right, you like moving on. Thank you. Next. All right, y'all moving on from these fake smiling ass motherfuckers. That's why I'm telling you, they got some fake motherfuckers in y'all energy trying to compromise. Was trying to compromise your journey. Okay. You have fake smiles. This could be a female or male. Roles can be reversed. Yeah, this person, they have bad reputation. Okay? Birds of a feather flock together. You heard me? Fake smiles and bad reputation. Okay? These motherfuckers fake smiling, they got bad reps. Misery loves company, so they trying to compromise your energy. They trying to compromise your journey. They bad reputation. They only around for clout. You hear me? They say anything. They dramatic. They do anything. They make shit up. You hear me? Because they fake. Because they fake. I can't make this up. They fake. They fake. They got a bad reputation. Birds of a feather flock together. Watch who is in your energy. Watch who you ain't around you. There's another one. Y'all ignoring these people. Y'all ignoring these people. Fake smiles. Y'all ignoring them. Y'all ignoring these people. Why? Why are you ignoring the signs, the red flags? You must want this bad reputation, Pisces. People faking like they your friend, but behind your back plotting on you. They rats. They got bad reputation. This could be a child that's hanging with the wrong people. But you're ignoring the signs. Some of you could have love on the brain, having nostalgic, dreaming, fantasizing about something or someone. Someone's kids is at risk of being taken. That could be from that fake smiling motherfucker that's in y'all energy. Someone could be reporting neglect or abuse on your children. Someone, this gives me Scorpio energy. I mean, Cancer energy. Like, this gives me, like, Cancer reading was the same way. Like, water energy. Like, y'all water signs is really got to watch y'all surroundings, because you got rats in your energy. You got fake people in your energy. You got people with bad reputations in your energy that's, like, only around you just to report some shit. Like, that's what I'm getting. And Cancer had the same thing. Like, that must be the theme here for water signs. People is in your energy just to go back and say some shit. Fake smiling in your face. Just to get some tea up on you and your children. You ignoring these signs, Pisces. I need you to open your eyes. Ask for clarity and discernment as well. Because y'all blind, y'all ignoring the signs. Just like you ignored this car, the outsider car. You ain't even noticed that the gate was unlocked. They showing you red signs. And then the lock on the chain is red. Red flag. Y'all not paying attention. Y'all blocking y'all own abundance by these people that y'all keep, that the things that you are ignoring. Them red flags y'all tend to ignore, that's going to stop. That's going to hinder your abundance. That's going to hinder your abundance. Give me 3 more for Pisces, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all ego, that's what it is. Egos. Y'all ego will hurt y'all in the long run. Okay, y'all have an ego, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ego is getting in the way. Okay, you might not even want to, stop rejection. Look, I just said that in the beginning. Rejection is for your protection. y'all might not even want to let go of these people. But this is holding on to these energies and keeping these people around you is hindering you from your abundance. Rejection. You may be rejecting people, or you need to reject somebody, or somebody then rejected you. But let me tell you something. Rejection is for your protection. Yeah, because they hating. It's a spiritual hater. They hating on you. They hating on your spirit. You could be a spiritual person and they hating on your power, your light. Look, I can't make this up. And what card popped out? Haunted. Okay? These people are haunted. Or you're being haunted and having trauma. See, I thought that was that light card at first. Some of you could be having side effects or memories, flashbacks of something. Y'all could be haunted by this nostalgic love on the brain. Or this could be a karmic that's having flashbacks. There's a baby mama or baby daddy that says anything to y'all because they haunted about what they see you out with somebody or see you with somebody. And they having side effects about it, about seeing you out with somebody else. Why though? Give me one more for Pisces, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Give me one more for Pisces, please. So someone, you could be into somebody, Pisces. They into you. You could have just recently got into a situation where the chemistry is good, y'all vibes is great, but that's a positive relationship. Y'all just entered into, that's what a love on the brain is. So whoever you into or whoever into you, y'all having nostalgic and y'all daydreaming and fantasizing about it. Meanwhile, there's a karmic ex, okay, a karmic femme, a karmic femme or a karmic mask that's hurt about the situation. That could be you ignoring them. It could be a baby daddy, baby mama you ignore. Yeah. You could be ignoring your baby mama or your baby daddy because you into somebody else. You thinking about them. They ego hurt. They having trauma behind this. I'm not laughing, Lord, but this is crazy. Rejection is for your protection, Pisces. This is all I have for you today. Thank you for engaging. I'm going with fire signs next. You're up next, Aries. See you soon. Bye.